About this item: headphone perfect compatibility. Newest chips make sure it can support all iOS version and compatible with iPhone 13, 13 Pro / 12 / 12 Pro / 11 / 11 Pro / XS / XS Max / X / 8 / 8 Plus / 7 / 7 Plus /. You can easily play audio from your iPhone on your car stereo, headphone, hi-fi, speaker with 3.5mm auxiliary ports or other 3.5mm compatible audio output devices. Headphone plug and play, no need any driver or adapter. Enjoy high quality music instantly. Ultra thin extensions of the connector enable fit with most of phone case. No need to remove cases for more convenient use. Headphone powerful functions. The auxiliary cable for iPhone enables you to play audio on your car stereo, headphone, hi-fi, computer stereo, Bluetooth speaker with 3.5mm auxiliary ports or other 3